if you are using Toyota Corolla from 2010 upward, I mean from 2010 upward, and you experience something like this, maybe you dey go on motion, you dey drive your car on motion, and suddenly the car come dey jack, or the car dey off by itself. Listen to this update. If you know say you dey use am, listen. As you just dey drive, dey go, the car go off, then later you go come start again, and you don't change the fuel pump, you don't change the plug. What is the next thing? You don't know. Some people go think say na brain burst, but this update no be brain burst at all. No be brain burst. Wetin dey do am na coil. You dey hear me? Na coil. The 4 coil don expire already. If you start am in the morning, the car go work fine, but immediately when the car don hot like that, e go just off, or may e dey jack, or may e no move well again. Just know say na the coil. Go and get the direct coil. The 4, I don't tell you say na 2, because machine fit detect wrong thing. Just go and get the 4, put am, may e test the car, may you contact me later. Make sure that you share this video to your friend. Most something wey be say dey happen to that car, na me I dey cap you, so we are together.